Starting around 25 walk 2024, Ethereum basically is exchanging at $3,629 in term of its worst rate with a value change of 0.3% in especially most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. ETH has a complete market cap of $435,735, 107,703 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $18,439,555, 943, which really is very critical. This truly makes Ethereum ETH really positioning at 2 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2024, what will Ethereum basically be genuinely worth in 2024 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is Ethereum a very wise venture, or really worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will ETH cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, which truly is genuinely huge? These are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in a very enormous manner. Ethereum at the value expectation 2024 as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ETH cost for the most part is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of $488. The normal sort of least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to in a real sense be $4,354 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, ETH can generally arrive at a by and large most extreme value level of $5,138 in an especially significant manner. Ethereum value estimate walk 2024 the in every way that really matters. Normal cost of Ethereum ETH could generally go to $33,508 toward the finish of walk 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. ETH could truly be exchanging around an exceptionally most extreme worth of $3,608 with the essentially least expected cost of $3,207, or so they really thought. Ethereum value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the really greatest cost for Ethereum could especially stretch around $3,748, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of ETH in April 2024 sort of is $3,446 with the typical cost of $3,613 in an in every practical sense significant way. Ethereum value forecast May 2024. The cost of Ethereum really is generally anticipated to reach at a kind of least worth of $3,624 in May 2024, showing how besides, the minimum cost of ETH in April 2024 certainly is $3,446 with a truly normal cost of $3,613, which sort of is very huge. The ETH cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme worth of $3,929 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $3,758 all through 2024 in a sort of significant manner. Ethereum value figure June 2024. In June 2024, the in every practical sense greatest cost for Ethereum could explicitly stretch around $4,079 in a genuinely significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of ETH in June 2024 explicitly is $3,699 with a really normal cost of $3,833, which is genuinely huge. Ethereum ETH value estimate July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Ethereum for the most part is in a real sense anticipated to essentially arrive at a sort of typical cost of $3,909, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $4,271 and a really least of $3,742 in a by and large significant manner. Ethereum value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Ethereum basically is supposed to in a real sense be at around an essentially least of $3,893 in a really significant manner. Ethereum cost can arrive at a sort of limit of $4,427 with the essentially normal cost of $4,27 in USD, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. ETH value conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Ethereum really is gauged to basically be at around a truly least worth of $4,014, showing how Ethereum value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Ethereum truly is supposed to especially be at around an extremely least of $3,893 in an unpretentious manner. The Ethereum value worth can basically arrive at a for the most part limit of $4,588 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $4,147 in USD. So ETH basically has a truly all-out market cap of $435, 735, 107, 703 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $18, 439, 555, 943 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Ethereum basically is supposed to fundamentally be at around a truly least of $4.97 in a buy and large significant manner. Ethereum cost can fundamentally arrive at a buy and large limit of $4 to $754 with, for the most part, normal cost of $4,230 in USD, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Ethereum value expectation November 2024. The cost of Ethereum is truly anticipated to basically reach at an exceptionally least worth of $4,148 in November 2024. Demonstrating the way that the Ethereum value worth can arrive at a very limit of $4,588 with a really normal exchanging worth of $4,147 in USD. So ETH by and large has a, for the most part, all-out market cap of $435, $735, $107, $703 with the 24. Our exchanging volume of $18, $439, $555, $943 in a, for the most part, huge manner. The ETH cost could arrive at a really most extreme worth of $4,966 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $4,315 all through 2024, which fundamentally is very critical. Ethereum ETH value expectation December 2024. The cost for Ethereum in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $4,354 and $5,138, showing the way that the ETH cost could arrive at a truly greatest worth of $4 to $966 with the typical exchanging worth of $4,3 to $15 all through 2024 in a truly significant manner. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to really be around $4,488, which in a real sense demonstrates the way that Ethereum cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a truly limit of $4,754 with a truly normal cost of $4,230 in USD, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Ethereum passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Ethereum's cost generally has shown a good increment of 624% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which is very critical. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the ETH especially was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 354%, which really is very huge. Ethereum certainly has shown areas of strength for certainly of potential recently, and this could be fundamentally great chance to especially dive right in and in every practical sense contribute. Ethereum value conjecture 2024 facts what will for the most part be Ethereum worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner. The ETH cost for the most part is estimated to truly arrive at a very greatest degree of $5,138 with by and large least cost of $4,354 toward the finish of 2024. So Ethereum value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the extremely most extreme cost for Ethereum could basically stretch around $4,079, which especially is very huge. Does Ethereum most certainly have a future in a quite enormous manner?